Do you want to save time and money and still create consistent branded social media posts? I highly recommend Canva. Here's a quick tutorial on how to use the free features on canva.com.
This video is on how to use Canva. Go to canva.com and then sign up for an account either with Facebook, Google, or your email. And it's a free account. Once you have an account, you can always just log in. Then up top, you'll pick what you're designing. Generally speaking, a social media post will work on all social media, including Facebook and Twitter. So that's what I usually like to create. If it's just for Facebook, you could select Facebook posts, but the square social media post would be fine. On the left-hand side, under Layouts, you'll see all the templates. Select a template that says free. You have a lot of options here, and you can just scroll down to find which one will be the best fit. So for example, you could use this one. Then you can delete anything that you don't want to keep in here. You could move text boxes, change colors, and so on. But here I can customize it. I can change the font size here. So that's one example. Another one could be, let's say you're doing a quote or a testimonial. This would make a great quote. So I could put the first sentence here, something cool here, and so on. Once you've designed your image, you just click on download at the top right corner. You save it as a ping. You'll download that to your computer, and then it's ready to upload onto social media. So I'll save it onto my computer, and that's it. Once you have an account and you start creating things, then you'll see all the ones you've already created, and then you could just start reusing them.